A window is a part of a building which is responsible for airflow, lighting and then view. Now if you have huge windows like this, it makes you feel more curious to look outside and then to enjoy the view. It also makes you feel more comfortable and then more healthy. Now what if you have a boring window like this and then you end up looking it for the rest of your day? Then your scenario will be like, that's what today's episode is all about. We are going to do a window seat design to give you the place and feel to sit more comfortably and then to enjoy the view outside. So this is our model we are going to be working on. These are some of my concept sketches. Now let's start by designing it. This design consists of three main parts, the two secondary parts containing the storage units and then the central main part containing the seating area. So I will start by explaining this design from left to right. A mix of open and then closed storage is provided. For the closed storage, handleless shutters which is connected by magnetic and rail on top and bottom is provided. Now if you see in our design, the base cabinet is slightly extended than the top cabinets. This is because this serves as a space to keep your specs or mobile phones from your seating area by just bending your arms. There is also a charger point provided inside the storage unit. This is you can use this for charging your mobile or for using a laptop. Okay, next coming to the main central part. Under the seating, there is a storage provision in the form of a handleless pull-out drawer supported by wheels. Here you can store in your blankets and pillows without being seen on the outside shabbily. Vertical members are provided, acting as a support for the creepers and then as a barrier between the fish tank and then the seating area. Now there is a horizontal member with plans support is provided. Summarizing design. Now we have provided a total of 7 closed storage and 2 large open storages. So if you see, the closed storage can be used to stash in your items and the open storage can be a place where you can keep your decor items and then the books or things which you access more frequently. Lighting design. We have provided a wall sconce light for the ambient lighting on the top of the seating area. A profile lighting provision is provided under the horizontal element to give lighting to the fish tank. A optional task lighting can be given below the painting. A profile lighting on the edge of the pullout is given to highlight the design element. Next, aesthetic elements. The aesthetic elements provided are plants, fish tank and then creepers. This is the contemporary style, a combination of shades of matte grey and high glossy lacquered black glass. The mixed century modern style. It is a mix of wood texture and then white and green and orange colors. Here the golden finishes are given for handles. Rustic style. It is a complete wooden style. Here a combination of rustic wood and then soft wood is used. Wall is back panelled with white wooden planks. Now we get a nice place and feel to and enjoy the view outside of the window.
Hi, I am Albert. So today we transformed the boring wall with a window into a design which is more aesthetic and then more functional. So if you see, this design can be applied on spaces such as lobby spaces, bedroom spaces or even living spaces. So if you want the dimensions of this design, please check out the link given in the description below where there is a design manual attached which can be downloaded for free. Now if you like this design and if you want something like this design to your own space, to your own comforts, please contact us at arbanstudios@gmail.com. Please subscribe our channel, follow us on Instagram, and stay tuned for more fine videos on episodes on design, and hit like.